contest with Growl's cover still in the air quite cold. We were anxious to see Willy Wonka. Oh my god, there's Augustus Gloop. Hey, isn't he? Fantastic. There's Veruca Salt. She made her father buy a million kidney bars and Jeff Robin. She gets anything you want. There's Bob Beauregard. She's going to trigger that thing for 3 months solid, and she's still working on it. Which one's Mike TV? The television, all these crazy pistols on them. All those crazy pistols on them. Which one's Charlie Bucket? Right next to that that old guy. Why do you have a coat? I don't know. Tell me, talk to try to do. Talk to her head. Gang, 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 gang. Where's Willy Wonka standing up at the top of the stairs of the factory? Then we get doing a skippy dance and dancing on the steps right to the gates. Welcome everybody. Welcome to my chocolate factory. This is going to be a great day. I hope you're enjoying it. I think you will. Can I have your tickets? I have Augustus Gloop. Augustus, amazing. What fine shape you are. It's amazing. And this was for your mother. Thank you. I'm Veruca Salt. Veruca, amazing. How pretty you look at that big coat. Oh, this would be your father. Paula Beauregard. Darling, welcome to Wonka's. What kind of guy you got here? Charming, charming. This is for your father. Here. I'm Mike TV. Wow! Gotcha! Wonderful video. And this is for your mother. What darling little boy you have. My name is Charlie Bucket. Charlie, I read about you in this morning paper. I'm so proud of you. Everything going yesterday, just in time. Who's this? Your grandfather? You are? All set? Yes? Good? On we go. I went up the stairs into the factory. Alright, I want you to put your hats, coats, and galoshes on those pegs over there. You have so much to do. Strike that. Reverse it. Okay? Will everyone sign this contract, please? I know we have to sign this thing this door. Let's see on the bottom. That's this you first, and here. And what's this? Therefore, our contract. I don't know about this. Please. Thank you. Veruca? Veruca, I don't think we should sign in. I want to go in! Don't you dare stop me! Yeah. I'm trying to help. You're always making things difficult. Pretty good. You, Violet? It's amazing. What amazing. Okay. TV. Saw this in a movie. Guys had a white shirt and policy. They bumped her off. Clever. Charlie, don't worry about it. It'll be worth it. Where's this got to start? Come on. Patience. Everything in order. Everyone signed? Yes? Good? On we go. Follow me. Down, went to the long hall. Then they went left. Then they went right. Then they went left. The CV going down, 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 down. All this up this big cool floor. And this is the chocolate factory, chocolate room. And everything you see in here will be edible. You can eat almost everything. I don't know about this. Let me in, I'm starving! Don't worry, Gustus, you won't lose your head. And go. Chocolate room. Everything here is all eatable. This is the room center to the entire Walker factory. What about that river? It's polluted, it's chocolate. That's a chocolate? Yeah, 10,000 gallons an hour. Look at that waterfall over there. It's amazing. It's mixing the chocolate. It's actually churning the chocolate. There's no other factory that does this chocolate waterfall. You have to do it just right. there across the river. Well then, amazing. Now we know what's going on. What is this? What is it? Chewing gum. Chewing gum is really gross. Chewing gum I hate the most. No chewing gum. Sorry. Well, who are those characters? They're Oompa Loompas. Oompa Loompas from Loompa Land. Loompa Land is no such place. But I'm a teacher of gravity. You know all about Loompa Land. A terrible country it is. With a desolate waste of first beasts. With wangoons, with hornswallows, snodwires, thick jungles. The Oompa Loompas are so small that we can call them up. Why do we tend them for birds and come back for a second helping? When I came to that country, they're living on green caterpillars. There's headwood trees are escaping the wet for the creatures. There's these creatures. One thing they enjoy most was the cacao bean. And made to work a cacao bean and they were just warned about. So he said, well, let's be a peace and safety. Wait for all the white noodles and hornswogglers and snodwires and the birds. So the greatest secret, I transferred the entire population of wolves to my factory. Daddy! I want an M&M now! Give me an M&M now! I want an M&M now! Meanwhile, Gus was stuck to the river. This is delicious. This is delicious. If you all, Gus is darling. See some food for later. Russian going out on the river. Help me! Help me! Oh no! Suck for a huge pipe. Why'd you do it? I didn't save him with the pipe. How is he going to stay down? He can't swim. Sucked up the pipe. He's done! He'll be back to Marshall's in 5 seconds. Impossible. Impossible. Why? That pipe doesn't go to the Marshall room, it goes to the fun room. How about that? Let's go. Hey, let's go to the fun room. Look sharp. Take a big stick. Pour more in boil. Look sharp. We're going to pour it to the boiler. Don't worry. Don't worry that. Oompa loompa doobity doo. I got another puzzle for you. Oompa loompa doobity. If you are wise, you listen to me. What do you get when you guzzle down sweets? Eating as much as an elephant eats. Where are you at getting terribly fat? What do you think will come of that? I don't like the look of it. Oompa loompa doobity da. If you're not greedy, you will go far. You will live in happiness too, like the Oompa loompa doobity doo. Now we'll take the rest of the journey by boat. Follow me. This boat came with Fairmont Yoga Creek. You look pretty starved. Hasn't there been anything to eat in your house lately? Not much. Have this old to make it better. That's the previous chocolate I tasted. Since that's makes my waterfall. That's lovely. What are we doing? Not that fast! Not that fast! They were rocking real fast down this pond. Switch on the lights! Lights are on there and be inside a giant pipe. They walk down the fast. How do they know where they're going? There is no earthly way of knowing to see which direction they are going. There is no knowing where they're going or which way the river is flowing. Is it raining? Is it snowing? Is a hurricane a-blowing? The second light is showing that the danger must be growing. Is the grizzly reaper mowing? The danger must be growing for the rowers keep on rowing. There's something not showing any signs that they are slowing. Oh my god, he's lost it! He's on his rocker! He's crazy! He's weird! He's stupid! He's weird! No, he's not! Alright, we're right bastard! Coffee cream, cake cream, donut cream, vanilla cream, hair cream. Hair cream? Whips? What do you use whips for? Whipping cream. What's in whipped cream with a little bit of whipped cream? What's it whip by whip? Just like a posting is not punching, else it's been so for what's up dead night. Now hurry on! Chopped coffee beans, cacao beans, gel beans, has beans, you're one yourself. Hurry on! Alright, where's there? Where? Up here! What's up there? You'll see. The vetting room. Follow me. Only authorized will see it perfectly. No messing about, no touching, no tasting, no telling. I'll tell you what, you'll see. All my secret adventures are cooking and simmering in there. Slugworth gives us false speed 5 minutes in there. So Prados and Slugworth and Pickle Gruber and all the other rotten cane makers. So don't touch a thing. Well, it looks more like a witch's kick than anything wrong. You touch some buttons of the machine. Every time the machine went butt, so the little marble came out of that machine. This is a little marble. Everlasting gobstoppers. Making them for very people with very little pocket money. Get second, they never get any smaller. Never. So I don't think they do. They change out once a week. Have a open little test room and they've been sucking up around. You're not so good as ever. Right here. Rainbow drops, exploding candy, and hair toffee. Your hair toffee. Grow some proper hair in your head. A mustache, a beard. This is ready. Ready. Over and took some and hopefully growing a beer for rapidly. Now look at this. My God, it's gum. Wrong, it's the most amazing gum ever. Bull. That's how fan about it. This comes with a 3-course meal. Full. The roast beef. Easy. I don't care. No. As long as it's coming, that's for me. Violet, don't want anything. Don't relax. What's it taste like? Wireless. It's tomato soup. It's hot and creamy and you're feeling my throat. Stop. Don't. Spit it out. It's great soup. It's like anything else coming out. Roast beef with a baked potato. Sour cream. What's that? Dessert? Here it comes. Worried pine cream is really amazing. What's happened to you? Blue. Plenty fish. Face is turning blue. Violet, you're turning violet. Violet? What are you talking about? No. Oh my God, I feel sick. Oh my God, she swelled up to the size of a blueberry. Twitch's blueberry pilot did it. I tried it 6 times and every one of them ended up as a blueberry. Help me! Gotta get the air out there. There's no air there. There's juice. Take follow forward to the juice room so they can squeeze her. Squeeze her? Of course. You have to do it. Loompa, doopity-doo. I got another puzzle for you. Loompa, doopa-da-dee. If you're wise, you listen to me. Come join China only once in a while. It stops you from smoking and brightens your smile. But it's repulsive, revolting and wrong. Chewing and chewing all day long. Even though I count as it. Loompa, doopity-da. Giving good manners, you will go far. You will live in happiness too. Like the Oompa Loompa Doopity-Doo. As I said, chewing gum is really gross. Chewing gum I hate the most. That's what it comes from chewing disgusting chewing gum in my factory. Why do you make it in your factory? Don't worry about it. Follow me. Where are you going so fast? We'll never get there in time if we did. Cows can give chocolate milk. Square kidneys in the milk realm. busy looking rings. Beautiful wallpaper, nursery grounds, walls. Look at orange, it's orange. Look at pineapple, this is pineapple. Strawberries taste like strawberries. Snozberries taste like strawberries. What is a snozberry? Don't worry about it. It'll be worth it. And we're gonna stop here and catch our breath. Don't disturb the geese. These are the geese that lay the golden eggs. They're quadruple-sized geese, so they octuple-sized eggs. Living overtime from last Easter. But it's not Easter yet. No, yet. Forget it. What about those eggs? Almost fit for a king. Are they chocolate eggs? Golden chocolate eggs. It's very delicacy. Easter egg temperamental. Oh, that's why I have the egg carrot. Egg what? Egg carrot. Egg carrot, they call it a good egg, a bad egg. It's a good egg, it's not check up and shipped out all over the world. Bad egg. Don't shoot. That's educated. All nonsense. All nonsense now and then. You don't know about what no one. Daddy, I want a golden goose. Here we go again. Here we go again. I want one of those. All I got is a dog and a cat and a fish and a cake on mice and a silly old hamster. I want a golden goose. How much you want for the golden goose? Not for sale. Give your price. I'm gonna give you one right now. You should brush your roof. Stop! Don't come back. Just as you step on the platform, you got sucked onto the floor. She was a bad egg. Where all those eggs go? Where's she going? All the other eggs go down the garbage chute. Down the garbage chute. Where does that go? That's where all the wood flippies, the potato peelings, and the cabbage heads, and the fish heads go. We need special cabbage and potatoes in the backyard, you know. Why do, of course, you don't think all about cacao beans, you? Where does that go? Furnace. Just sirloin sausage. I think we've gone a bit too far this time. My daughter may be able to frump. I don't mind admitting it. That means your roast are impressed. Very impressed with that. I really am. We're stuck in down the shoe. Salt one to rescue his daughter, but got sucked on the shoe. It's gonna be a long roast day. Oh, don't worry about it. Well, it's be fire incinerator. It's only light every other day. I think this is the day the light go out. I'm not sure. Oompa doobity doo. I got another puzzle for you. Oompa dooba dee. If you are wise, you listen to me. Who do you blame when your kid is a brat and is spoiled like a Siamese cat? Blaming the kids is a lie and a shame. You know exactly who's to blame. The mother and the father. Oompa loompa doobity da. If you're not greedy, if you're not spoiled, then you will go far. You will live in happiness too, like the Oompa Loompa Doobity Doo. I don't understand it. Children disappearing like rabbits. Well, it's all worth it. When we still have each other. Can you follow me? I'm really tired. Can we stop? Follow me. Directions the elevator. This is an order you up and down elevator. You can go sideways and flatways and frontways and squares and frontways and anyways you can think. Anyone's back, that's what you're looking for. Just press these buttons. This button, zing, you're off. Is there a television room in this place? Right here. Woo! And again, you go faster and faster and faster and faster and faster. I'm gonna be sick! Don't be sick. Try and stop me. Try and stop me. Oh, sir, don't spoil my hat. Put these glasses on. dangerous stuff inside. WonkaVision. The very latest and greatest invention. Television, not WonkaVision. We used to know how ordinary television works. Photograph something, the photograph is scattered into millions of pieces. You listen to go down to a 10-year television set or a lighter cable box. They're put together in a right order. That's not how television works. Speak up. I am a little deaf. That isn't how television works! You talk too much. So I thought, if they can do it with the photograph, why can't I do it with bar chocolate? And how does this chocolate bar, one end to the other? It has to be big because instead of by television, it's small on the other end. What goes on? Lights, camera, action! Weird goggles. Where's the chocolate? Fly overhead in millions of pieces. So take it. How can you take it? It's just a picture. How do you take it? It's real. Taste it. It's delicious. Just let's swallow it all. Perfect. It's unbelievable. It's a miracle. It's TV dirt. It's WonkaVision. I'll change the world. There's Wonka. He says very systematic world through television. There's breakfast cereal, for instance. All I see it on. Don't you know what breakfast cereal is? It's got those kernel ceilings. You can buy a pencil sharpener. Could you? Of course I could. It's all about people. I know. Of course I could. Sure I could. Sure I could. The results might be messy. Like it would be semi-television. Don't do it! Stop! No, come back! Lights, camera, action! Mike, what happened? It's over our heads, a million pieces. Mike, what's wrong? I'm sure I want to breathe. It's worth it. Look, I'm the first person to be set my television. It's amazing. Am I coming in clear? If I'm coming in clear, great. Put it on hard. You call that hard? You do that again? Oh. Come on. Wait a minute. I'm a TV star. Wait till I can see this. No one's gonna see those. You're doing me. Put it in a purse. Now what we do? Fortunately, small boy is very springy alive, so we'll put my tapping club machine to shoot a trick. There. This happy club. My boy's mother first. Very, very careful. Then fatten him up with some vitamin candy. But wait until I. Come on. This TV was taken off. Third time to ask for it. I do. Parting is century sorrow. Oompa loompa doobity doo. I got another puzzle for you. Oompa loompa doopa da dee. If you are wise, you listen to me. What do you get from a lot of TV? A pain in the neck and an IQ of 3. Why don't you try simply reading a book or simply compare to look? You'll get no commercials. Oompa loompa doopity-da. If you're not greedy, you will go far. You will live in happiness too, like the Oompa loompa doompa doopity-doo. Let's see, who else is left? Guess it's Charlie left. Me. Congratulations! Congratulations! I had 100 with you. Now the fun is going to start. Think about the Rangers FPV. There's people have to fetch. There's lots to do before this day is out. And after you. Step in, Charlie. Drop in, show, sir. No, after you. Now I'm going to press this button. Up and down. Hold on tight. I'm not sure what's going to happen. Faster, faster we will pick up speed, we'll learn it through. Through what? Aha. You're right, up and down. This is made out of glass and shattered in million pieces. We'll cut the ribbons, probably. Hold on. Here we go. Let's smash the roof. Look down below. It's amazing. Mr. Gus is cool. He used to be fat, always under a straw. Now there's worth the soul. She and her father will come with garbage. There's And there's Barbara Beauregard. She's purple. Oh well, where are it's my TV. It's 10 feet tall and thin as a wire. They were stripped within the tapping card machine. Don't worry, every single basketball team will gang him. Something I have to talk to you about. Oh, I love my chocolate factory. You love it too? I think it's the most amazing place in the whole world. It's good. Give it to you. That's alright, isn't it? I can't go up forever. Don't really want to try. You're going to transfer the factory when I leave. Take care of the moves and all that. Now I'm grown up. Won't listen, won't learn. Once he thinks his way, not mine. So I decided a long time ago to find a child. A very honest, learning child. With trust life. A kid with secrets, what still what. That's what he said out the golden tickets. Everything's all yours, and more immediately. Bringing the whole family too. Yippee! And Charlie Bucket, his grandfather, and the Buckets from Willy Wonka lived happily ever after. The end. Greatest guy in the world, Willy Wonka. Who's greatest guy in the world, Willy Wonka? He made lots of candy for lots of girls so dandy. He's the greatest guy in the world, Willy Wonka. Who's the greatest guy in the world, Willy Wonka? Who's the greatest guy in the world, Willy Wonka? He makes lots of joys for lots of girls and boys. Who's the greatest guy in the world, Willy Wonka?